Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I've got for you a Feelunique Pick N Mix unboxing. Okay, so yes, I have this month's Feelunique Pick N Mix to unbox for you guys. I think I picked up a couple of decent things, but we shall see. We'll open this together. Okay, so in we go, and we've got Feelunique, and then inside here we have, all those samples that I've just dropped on the floor. Okay, so I'm just going to show you each of the items one by one and let you know what I've got. If you haven't heard of the Feelunique Pick N Mix before, then basically what it is Feelunique offer a sample service where you get to pick 5 samples each month, and all it costs you is £3.95 postage, and you get the £3.95 postage back as an email code they will send to you, which you can use off any purchase on Feelunique. Okay, so firstly on our Feelunique Pick N Mix, we get some offers in an envelope for us. They're just some daft things from their sponsors, like offering you money off. So we've got something off some knitting thing, something off Wayfair, something off HelloFresh, and some vouchers for some free body foam products. Okay, then I'll let you know what I've got. Firstly, I was quite excited about this one. I've got the NARS Climax Mascara. I was really excited to get a hold of this. I thought it would sell out really quickly, and I wasn't able to put my order until a certain date because once you order on Pick N Mix, say if you order on the 15th, you can't order until the 15th of the next month. So yes, really excited to get this. So it's just a mini version, obviously, it's a sample service, but in here we get 1.8 grams. It's a good little travel size mini, absolutely fantastic. It's a NARS product. NARS are a great brand. I'm really, really excited to try this. Next, I'll show you some skincare products that I picked up. I picked up the My Clarins Remove Purifying Cleansing Gel. I've picked up a few of the mini My Clarins things in the past and I really liked those. Haven't tried this one yet, and the Purifying Cleansing Gel sounds really perfect for the way my skin's behaving at the moment, so I'm looking forward to trying that. And it's a perfect little travel size. If I'm going to pop away anywhere, then I can just pop this in my bag and it's not going to take up a whole lot of room. One of the reasons I absolutely love this Feelunique Pick N Mix. So handy for holidays. Okay, I can't necessarily remember picking this one up in all honesty. I got the Nooks, and it is their Melting Honey Body Oil Balm. That'll be why it'll mention honey and I'll go, ooh, that'll smell nice. So it intensely nourishes and helps to repair and relieve the sensation of irritation. It's for very dry and sensitive skin. I don't suffer from crazy dry or sensitive skin in all honesty, but you know, sometimes winter is coming and it can be quite damaging to our skin, so that will be really nice to try. There's 7 mils in here, so it's a decent little sample size. Next then, this one comes nicely wrapped in a little bubble wrap pouch. And in here we have got the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Primer. So it's a little tube of primer from By Terry. I hear great things about them. What do we get in here? Does it say mils wise? Don't think it says mils wise. We get 5 grams, 18 ounces. It's just a nice little sample size. Again, perfect for popping in the makeup bag when traveling and things. And like I said, I've heard really good things about this brand, so looking forward to trying that. Okay, lastly then, I feel like we've made our way through this one quite quick this week. This month. I'm obviously not blabbering on too much. So I picked up a Floral Street perfume. I love the Floral Street perfume samples I've had previously, really, really like them. And this was a new one that was on there to try. It is Electric Rhubarb. I'm hoping it's going to smell nice. I do like rhubarb. I really, really like their Vanilla Orchid perfume, so I'm hoping this one will be nice. I'll give it a little sniff. Ooh. That's really fruity and fresh. Yeah, I really, really like that one. That's nice too. I think the Floral Street perfumes are amazing. Really, really nice. It's on my Feelunique wish list to have the vanilla, I think it's Vanilla Orchid, I think it's called, that one. I really like that one. This one then I look forward to trying. It smells really, really nice. I might pop some of that on tonight. Okay, so that's my samples for this month. I think we've done really well for things that basically end up being free. We've got this fantastic mascara from NARS. I've got the primer from By Terry. I've got my Clarins cleanser. I've got some body oil, and I've got a perfume sample. So absolutely fantastic to think this only cost me £3.95, and I'm going to get that £3.95 back from Feelunique by ordering something else. And I will do, because I just last month picked up their I don't know what they call it, but like their Premier style service where you can get free next day delivery for a year. It's only like $8.95, I think it was. So I bought that last month when I bought some of the the body butter from Physicians Formula. Oh my god, why couldn't I think what the brand was? Yeah, so I got some of that and I've paid £80.95 postage, but that's going to do me for a year, free next day delivery. And when I'm getting £3.95 a month off an order, that's fantastic. So guys, that's this month's pick and mix. If you've liked the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you could also hit that subscribe button and subscribe, because there's plenty more videos like this are coming. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.